Clean lines are defined as those that are unbroken and uninterrupted. We associate clean lines with modern architectural design alongside calming colour palettes. Pare everything down to the essentials so that clutter does not obstruct the beauty and nobility of a well-made product. Laminate and Ply kitchens offer the natural aesthetic of the exposed birch plywood. Birch plywood is constructed by laying the veneer in alternating directions with every change in grain direction, adding to the strength and stability of the product. The resulting edge detail is unbroken and uninterrupted. Your choice of colours exceeds 400, so your interior can be designed with both finesse and attention to detail, enabling you to create a bespoke interior unique to you. Laminate and Ply provide a free sampling service, so choosing colour and texture is done with physical samples delivered free to your door. Once you have chosen your colours, the product is manufactured in the UK and delivered to your door inside 4 weeks. Laminate and Ply hold the Forestry Stewardships Council Chain of Custody certification. Our certificate number is NCCOC 026801. All the plywood products we sell are certified by FSC, so you can be assured that your purchase is from verified sustainable forestry. The mass market in kitchens relies on the use of particle board for the construction of the furniture. To hide the particle board, plastic edge banding is applied. Laminate and Ply's offer is based on the fact that the product can be cut on site. Laminated birch plywood cuts cleanly and does not give all the problems associated with melamine-faced chipboard. If a design change becomes desirable, or a size change is needed because of an unforeseen circumstance, this can be easily accommodated on site, something not achievable with edge-banded products. Your preferred details can be created on site with hand tools. If you don't like protruding handles, then recessed finger pulls can be cut into the cupboard doors and drawer fronts. End panels can be mitre jointed if desired, to extend the uninterrupted lines concept. Island and worktops can have the corners radiused as required, with the use of a corner jig and a power saw. A series of how-to video guides covering topics ranging from the cutting of the plywood, fitting an undermount Belfast sink, drilling for hinges, and sealing the edges are available on our website to help you or your builder successfully install a Laminate and Ply kitchen. The durability of a Laminate and Ply domestic kitchen is guaranteed by the company for 10 years. The material properties of the ingredients underwrite that warranty. Birch is a hardwood with a density similar to oak. The glue line in the plywood is Class 3 in accordance with EN 636, which is the specification for external applications. This is largely comparable with what was known as WBP, weather and boil proof. It is imperative that the edges are protected for satisfactory performance to be achieved. Laminate and Ply recommend Osmo coating systems to deliver the protection required. The sanded raw edges should be treated with wood protector, product code 4006. This is an easy product to apply with a lint-free cloth to all exposed edges. Any excess can be removed from the laminate with a cloth. Dry inside 10 hours. The edges should be de-nibbed with a fine sandpaper and then 2 further coats of top oil applied. There is a choice of colours and sheens with the top oils. In this case, clear satin, product code 3028, has been used. The edge protection process amplifies the inherent beauty of the colouring in the birch ply from the alternating grain directions. Screw retention in birch plywood is significantly superior to particle board, extending the lifespan of the kitchen and eradicating the snag of cupboard doors coming loose due to the screw hole opening up. The laminate gives a hard-wearing, durable, heat, stain and scratch-resistant surface, ideal for even the busiest of kitchens. Repeated exposure to steam or heat will not cause the glue bonding the laminate to the plywood to fail. Laminate and Ply is the affordable way to create your own unique interior, delivering clean lines. Choose the colour you want from free samples delivered to your door. Manufactured in the UK with timber from certified sustainable forestry. Delivered directly to you, the plywood can be easily cut on site and alterations are easy. Seal the edges with Osmo wood protectors to reveal the full beauty of the birch plywood. The end product is a beautiful, hard-wearing, durable kitchen that will bring you pleasure for many years to come.